We are very lucky. Bird chirps sound pretty. The thought of something monstrous coming out of small birds made me laugh out loud. Embarrassed smiley face. The birds are lucky too. There's nothing uglier than being unable to sleep and then hearing the first bird sounds in the early hours of the morning, reminding you that another night went to shit. You don't live near seagulls, I assume. It would actually be weird if they sounded like a frog. Birds are lucky. Humans find their chirps pretty. Just like all the good that humans are not allergic to water type of thoughts posted here. Remember that we literally evolved to fit this planet, including the psychology, stuff we find good and bad. If bird chirps were obnoxious we would have killed them off by now. The vuvuzela of birds-headed ibis,